Hey, it's Christy from Adapted, and I just wanted to take a quick second to show you how I use this with my non-readers. I use the Google Chrome extension Read and Write, which is totally free, and it's linked in the notes. And what's awesome about it is that it's going to read it for your students, for your non-readers. Okay, so all you have to do, I've already clicked it, but I'll unclick and click it right now so you can see what I'm talking about, is this purple puzzle piece. You click it, and then you can press play. So it's going to highlight the words and it's going to read it aloud to your students. So let me just press play and I'll show you how it works.
Hi. I'd like 2 hamburgers, 1 large fries, and 2 sodas. Thank you.
So you're able to change the settings, change your voice. I always like some little UK person, but whatever it is that you want, it's able to read it aloud to your students. And so you're able to work on reading comprehension, and it's just a fun little activity. So, hi, I'd like 2 hamburgers, 1 large fries, and 2 sodas. So then this is just a drag and drop activity where they're supposed to grab it and put it on the tray. So I'd like 2 hamburgers, 1 large fries, and 2 sodas. Okay, so that's it. I hope you really enjoy it with your students, and let's talk soon.